Ooh, you get the hiccups? Ooh, yeah, you do, don't you? Hey, you get the hiccups? Let's see it. Ooh, there it is.
She does look a lot like Kirby.
Ruby. Hiccup. Ruby. Hiccup. Hiccup. Oop. Is this something I should be doing for this, or videotaping? Is bad parenting? Ooh. Hey, little girl. You know who's taping you. Daddy's taping you. Ooh, Daddy's taping you. Alright, maybe I'll burp you a little bit. See how that works out.
You can tell like they got this intention, like we're like, yeah, whatever.
Hey.
With her.
Hey. Hey, yeah, he's smiling now. He's smiling, maybe because those hiccups are over. Now you're pooping. Ooh, yeah. Felt good. I think I'll do another one. Oh, yeah. There it goes.